so weeks ago, 3-4 weeks ago, out with Myrna at the Berry House in Yuba City, and I'm Lindsay's mom, and I just called to let you know it's gone now, but something came home with me. So it was. It stuck crap out of me for about 3 days till I'd had enough to get lost in a not so polite way. But now my sister's visiting me. The other night I was thinking there's something wrong with me, and I was thinking, and I realized it was after midnight, which would have made it the 1st of August. Her birthday is day after tomorrow, and she's been visiting me on and off for the last 2 days. And this is interesting, and not that it means anything. And I told her just to knock the crap off because she's been making me spill things and drop things and everything. But I did that all day yesterday, and I did it today again. And then I told her that I'm going to be cooking now, and I'm going to be using boiling water, so leave me the hell alone. But she's still in the house, and she's laughing at me. I know that sounds weird, but maybe not to you. But I just thought I'd let you know, because Myrna and I had a nice conversation afterwards, and we've talked on the phone also. And whatever went on that night woke up my thing, and I'm just letting it now. Before I used to shut it off, but it woke it up, and I'm going to let it. And if I ever get really, really bad and need something more, or if I hear of anybody that has things going on too, and I talk to a few people that are extremely believers, and I will let them know about you. I've got your card, and I got your lovely wife's card, and I love her little poem, Let Her Know, the Seraphim, and I can't read that. Love is my hunter, and then it goes on. But my eyesight is not all that good. So, just thought I'd let you know, and I really did enjoy meeting you, and I've seen you before.
And Lindsay Rose's mother, right?
I'm a lot more open now, and I'm going to let it. Bye. Thank you. And I credit you. Okay, bye-bye.
Isn't that the one that daughter gave me the shirt?
End of message.